want you to know it's my wholehearted belief that every one of us has the tools and insight necessary to work through life's obstacles, including physical injuries. That life itself is the struggle to uncover the truth which we already know, the knowledge which we already possess, and the barely tapped power of the most active and most powerful muscle in our body, our mind. But who am I really? That's a good question. Who the F am I? I've been studying martial arts my whole life. I have an exercise science degree, nutrition degree from the University of Florida. I also have a specialized conditioning specialty called a C.S.C.S. I've created health and wellness lectures, physical prehab and rehab presentations and programs for companies like Motorola Solutions, Envision Health, Magic Leap, Active Wellness, and Hunter College. What I need you to do is to forget all that, because who I really am is a guy who's overcome a wealth of debilitating injuries. But what I want to do for you is to educate and, more importantly, empower you to do the same, because no one else will do it for you. So yes, I've been banged up, but which also means I know how to overcome it, and that's what I want to share with you. What's good? I'm Ross from My Wellness Dojo. Make My Wellness Dojo your Wellness Dojo. Subscribe at the bottom.